Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys the top shortcuts or must-have shortcuts if you're into photography on your iPhone or into doing video work as well. So let's get started. So the first shortcut is from the Moment app. So if you guys haven't checked out the Moment app, I highly recommend it if you're into taking photography. It's one of my favorite apps to use. And they have a shortcut where you can have it set up to where if I want to use the ultra wide angle lens on the iPhone 11, I have it already set up here where I can just tap the shortcut and it will open it up with all the presets that I saved it before, so that I don't have to waste time and set up the app at the right settings or anything like that. So it's a awesome plus right there, just to have that right there. Next, we have the Open Cinematic Video. So this was one of the default shortcuts that Moment released in their latest update to the app. So what this means is pretty much is that it will pretty much record in 4K at, I'm pretty sure, 24 frames a second, 24 frames per second. I hope I'm right. I'm not gonna open these shortcuts just because my room is not that clean right in front of me. So I don't think you guys are gonna want to see all this mess. And so yeah, it's an awesome way just to have it set up so that you already know that that's the preset or the setup that you want to record your video, and it's just awesome. And I'm pretty sure it's already saved to the ultra wide angle lens as well, so you get that awesome wide shot on the iPhone 11. Next, we have the Halide Take a Photo. So this one I use Halide a lot. It's the default camera app I use on the iPhone 11 now. So it's just really easy to use this shortcut, and it was a no-brainer to add it to my photography video workflow. So whenever I need to take a quick picture, I just open it up from there, from my lock screen, swipe left to right and tap that so that I can take a quick picture with Halide. Next, we have also by the same map, depth mode. So in depth mode, what that means is pretty much portrait mode. And so it will, of course, focus on the subject and blur out the background. And so I just want to quickly access, because sometimes I'm in a rush or something, or I sometimes forget to turn it on. So just having that shortcut right there is really easy, and it's fast for me and convenient. Next, we have the both the video. I hope we're pronouncing that right. So the both the video is a new feature, of course, in iOS 13 that only works on the iPhone 10, 10s, off iPhone XR or 10R, whatever, and then of course the new iPhone 11s. So what that means is it's recording with the back camera and the front facing camera. So let's say you're a YouTuber or something, you want to start vlogging or something, you could just start walking, videotaping what you want to videotape with the with the back camera, and then with the front facing camera it's recording you and your reactions and everything. So yeah, it's just a very plus feature that I think was going to be really popular in the YouTube world. Next, I'm the master mode. So that's a shortcut that I created on my own there. And what that is just a setup with raw, like everything is like I just want it's my personal settings and everything. So it's just raw mode, and that's pretty much it, because the other ones are in JPEG mode. But yeah, in raw mode, sometimes I want to just take good quality pictures and then edit them, of course. And not to say that JPEG you can't do that on the iPhone, which of course you can. But yeah, it's just an awesome shortcut that I created there for myself. Next, we have sunset time. So sunset time, of course, I like taking pictures of the sunset or like using the light of the sunset. So I just want to know what time it's gonna set. So I tap it, and then from there it shows me, okay, at 6:49, this is the sunset hour. So at that time I should be outside, in using the light of that time of day to take some cool looking pictures. And Next and not least, we have a simple one, clear out photos. So I take a lot of pictures on the iPhone, and just having that shortcut right there to quickly and clear out any photos I don't need or duplicates or anything like that, it's just really, really useful that I highly recommend you guys go check it out. It's one of the default ones that Apple has on the Shortcuts app. But yeah, that's an easy one because you take a lot of pictures on the iPhone and it just starts taking up space slowly, and you just have a collection of so much photos that you don't even know what to do with them. So that's pretty much it for must-have shortcuts if you're into photography or video. Of course, I will have the apps I just mentioned in the description below, so you guys go check them out. And if I find out how to get these shortcut links created here, then I will post the shortcut links in the description below as well, so you guys can go check them out as well. So that's pretty much it. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. You can subscribe right now. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.